Welcome to our video, The Return of the Once-in-a-Century Flood. Are we ever truly safe? In today's episode, we'll explore the alarming trends behind these catastrophic events and uncover the truth behind the myth of the once-in-a-century flood. As climate change alters our landscape and urbanization puts more lives at risk, understanding the cost of floods becomes crucial. Join us as we dive into innovative technologies, community readiness, and the critical role of policy, and discover if we can truly safeguard ourselves against nature's unexpected fury. 1. The myth of the once-in-a-century flood. The term once-in-a-century flood used to signify a rare and unusual weather event, something that communities might expect to encounter perhaps once in a lifetime. However, with changing weather patterns and increasing urbanization, these floods are occurring with alarming frequency. What was once considered a rare occurrence is now happening more often. This shift suggests that our understanding of such events needs to be revisited. The increasing frequency of these floods challenges the idea that they are rare, and it raises questions about the adequacy of our preparedness and response strategies. 2. Climate change and its role. Climate change is a significant factor contributing to the rise of these powerful floods. As global temperatures increase, the atmosphere holds more moisture, leading to more intense and frequent rainfall. This change in weather patterns results in higher river levels and increased flooding risk. Moreover, melting glaciers and polar ice caps contribute to rising sea levels, which exacerbate the severity of coastal floods. Scientists have warned that if greenhouse gas emissions continue at their current rate, the likelihood of extreme weather events, including floods, will only increase. 3. Urbanization. A double-edged sword. Urbanization has brought about remarkable progress, but it has also heightened the risk of flooding. As cities expand, natural landscapes are replaced with concrete and asphalt, reducing the land's ability to absorb rainwater. The result is more surface runoff, which can overwhelm drainage systems and lead to floods. Furthermore, many urban areas are situated in flood-prone zones due to their proximity to rivers and coasts. The concentration of people and infrastructure in these areas makes them particularly vulnerable when floods occur. 4. The cost of floods. The financial impact of floods is staggering. In addition to the immediate damage to homes, businesses, and infrastructure, there are longer-term economic consequences. Floods disrupt transportation networks, hinder business operations, and can lead to significant agricultural losses. According to recent studies, the global cost of flood-related damage runs into billions of dollars annually. The human cost is equally severe, with floods displacing communities, causing loss of life, and leading to long-term mental health issues for those affected. 5. Technological advances in flood prediction. Advancements in technology have improved our ability to predict and prepare for floods. Tools like satellite imagery, weather radar, and computer modeling provide real-time data that can help forecast flood events with greater accuracy. Early warning systems are crucial in giving communities the time they need to evacuate and protect property. However, while technology can help mitigate the effects of floods, it cannot prevent them entirely. It is essential for communities to integrate these technologies into comprehensive flood management plans. 6. Infrastructure. Building resilient infrastructure is key to minimizing the impact of floods. This includes constructing levees, dams, and flood barriers to control water flow and protect vulnerable areas. Additionally, cities need to invest in sustainable drainage systems and green spaces to enhance water absorption and reduce runoff. Retrofitting existing buildings and infrastructure to withstand flooding can also be a cost-effective way to enhance resilience. By prioritizing flood-resilient infrastructure, communities can better safeguard themselves against the increasing threat of floods. 7. Community preparedness and response. Community preparedness is vital in minimizing flood damage and ensuring a swift recovery. Public awareness campaigns can educate residents about flood risks and the steps they can take to protect themselves. This includes creating emergency plans, assembling disaster kits, and knowing evacuation routes. Community involvement in flood preparedness efforts can also foster a sense of collective responsibility and resilience. By working together, communities can better withstand the challenges posed by these natural disasters. 8. The role of policy and governance. Effective policy and governance are critical in managing flood risks. Governments must prioritize flood risk management in their planning and decision-making processes. This includes implementing land use policies that restrict development in flood-prone areas and investing in flood defense infrastructure. International cooperation is also essential, as many rivers and watersheds cross national boundaries. By working together, countries can develop integrated approaches to flood risk management and share best practices for reducing vulnerability. 9. Insurance. A financial safety net. Insurance plays a crucial role in helping individuals and businesses recover from flood damage. However, as floods become more frequent, the cost of insurance premiums is rising, and coverage is becoming less comprehensive. Policymakers and insurers must work together to make flood insurance accessible and affordable for all. This may involve developing innovative insurance products and encouraging risk reduction measures among policyholders. By providing a financial safety net, insurance can help communities bounce back more quickly after a flood event. 10. Conclusion. A call to action. High Point leverages innovation to ensure safety during extreme weather events. The city has implemented a state-of-the-art alert system that provides real-time updates to residents, keeping them informed and prepared. High Point's focus on innovation extends to its infrastructure, with smart sensors and monitoring systems that detect potential hazards before they become critical. This proactive approach, combined with strong community engagement, makes High Point a leader in weather preparedness. In conclusion, these cities in North Carolina have demonstrated exceptional preparedness and resilience in the face of extreme weather. Through strategic planning, community involvement, and innovative solutions, they continue to safeguard their residents and build a safer, more resilient future.